next day.
Hey everybody, what's up? It's China Cave. Welcome to today's vlog. And today we're in the Dubai Marina and view the world's first and only 7-star hotel, people. Today is a yacht day, so come along for the ride. Make sure you like and subscribe this video! I don't think I should have had my hair like this because Bree just up it one side like that. But anyways, when you here for speed, I said. But anyways, it's a KFC and 7-Up kind of boat ride. Not mad at that. Not mad at that at all.
She love turn back here. Not any pressure, but the boom boom brave. Fire up in the water. Pass the body and done.
So we are in the Dubai. We're in the Dubai Marina for a lovely evening on the yacht. Just cruising around, basically seeing Dubai. It's so magnificent. Kind of reminded me of taking a yacht in Miami. I wouldn't say Jamaica because Jamaica doesn't have any buildings. But Jamaica, does it have a better view? I think, or maybe in like Phuket. I wouldn't say Jamaica has a better view. I think each country that I've been in on a yacht has a unique experience. There we go. A unique experience. It's like in Dubai now, you're seeing like these man-made houses, like those over there, buildings over there, more buildings going up, and it's just like a dope experience. So like, yeah, check it out. Now this is dope AF. Like seriously.
The next day.
what's up? It's your girl China K, and welcome to another daily vlog, another Dubai vlog. And today we visited the Dubai frame. For those of you who don't know, it's a frame that perfectly fits old Dubai and new Dubai in one frame. It's pretty cool, so let's go inside and check it out. They said if you look on this side is old Dubai. See? Old Dubai. And when you look on that side, which I'm going to show you in a second, is the new Dubai. Now, if you guys don't know the history of Dubai, I highly suggest that you guys look it up and read about it. The history is so cool, and the fact that they literally made a whole city out of sand, like literally complete nothing. It's so freaking cool and so like amazing. Over here is where you can see the new Dubai, which is a Dubai that they're developing and all that good stuff. Got that man's face right there. God forgive me, I forgot his name, but I think it's the man with the vision. This is what inside looks like. Pretty freaking cool, eh? Alright, well, you know me, misadventurous, never scared. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Oh, this is so cool. All right, so just got out of the frame, which was pretty cool. It's like a mini museum that shows you old Dubai and new Dubai, and I'm assuming the future and what it holds for Dubai, which is really cute. I think when you think Dubai, you think vision, like for sure. When you go in, they show you similarly to like when you go to any other museums, you kind of see like, you know, the back history and stuff like that. It said no video in, and people were videoing, but I personally chose not to video inside so that if you guys do have the chance to come to Dubai, it's a whole new experience and it's not ruined by kind of seeing it before. But it's a really cool experience, something really quick that you could do. I think you could finish it in like an hour or less, depending on what you want. It's really not that much to do like upstairs, but nevertheless, I think it's, you know, it's a really cool experience and something to definitely do when you come to Dubai. Just put it on your list, do it real quick, and then, you know, do something else with your day.
Tomorrow.
Today we are in the desert, as you can see, and I think today I matched the desert because my legs are just as dry. Look at this shit. Oh my god, what the fuck. I actually have my lotion. I don't know, since I've been in Dubai, y'all, like, my skin just be dry as fuck. But I got a lotion. Don't worry, let's fucking do this. I don't know how are they gonna wrap my head with the thingy with this puff, but I think they can. All right, so we're wrapping my head. I don't know if he's gonna get my puff. Wrapping this cup here.
Pandora?
Yes. This Kandura. After. First your coat bike, after take. This only 20 bucks.
Hey. What's this?
Why am I wanna look like that?
Me don't know.
Tell the
Put your little, sir.
I push
Sir.
down my puff.
Sir, come here.
I look retarded.
Can you find a way to make this here
Push my
outside?
puff.
Yeah. Do it again.
Put down puff. Should I put
Like
it down?
This is outside.
Outside?
Yeah, this outside.
Why you want to put it?
Try. Just put
No,
it
let me fix it. Hold on.
A few moments later.
Alright, so yeah, that didn't work in my favor. So I have to I put my puff back as best as I could. And then I'm gonna fix it. It's ugly on my head. Looks like Alien versus Predator.
Let me see. I like it. Hold up, hold it. Teresa, how you coming? How you coming? Hiya. Look at more something. Yeah, go on. I have a nice little bit. A normal day, just, you know, riding cam. How you doing? Hey, the camel tired, yeah? Hey, what a my camel is stressed out. Yeah.
Day 4.
Hey everybody, what's up? It's your girl Shiny K and welcome to today's daily vlog. Now today, oh hey.
Let's make video together.
Yes, so we want to do a video together. Alright, so last time I was here, I came and I looked around and I liked it and I decided to come back to do a vlog to show you guys. So today we're at the Gold Souk and we're looking at gold, right?
Yes, Gold Center.
Yes, we're at the Gold Center and so we're looking at gold and I'm just gonna show you guys a bit of the gold when I'm gonna come out of my video. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys a bit of the gold in like
Now I show you Arabic shop, okay?
Okay.
Sheikh Hamdan shop.
Okay.
Dubai Sheikh, the head shop here.
okay, when I finish. Okay. So when you come down here, first of all, they're very aggressive and they try to get you to come into their store for buy whatever. Keep your mind straight. And I put this video on my TikTok that's like blowing up right now. All right, so we're the Gold Souk, right? Where everything is gold. This right here, I kid you not, is 100% real gold and it's 152,000 US dollars. That's a whole house. Like what the fuck? What the fuck? Apparently like having like gold in your house, like this much gold is nothing. The gold piece that I just looked at the window, I went inside and I asked the lady, I said, how much is this? And the woman said is 137,700 and something US dollars for it. And I'm like, what the hell? So then I went inside and then she said I could have video inside. So I went inside and I looked at some rings. So I'm like, you know, I'm just come back down here. Come on, like a simple little gold ring. The simple little gold ring, the woman said, is $200 fee.
260.
260. Okay. Okay. 200. This one. 200. Okay.
This one 210.
And 210. We can't buy none over here. No man, we can't buy none over here because if just one little ring, like I came back and said, you know what, I'm gonna see if we can buy something, like a little small something. But one little ring, no little sparkly night or nothing like that, but it is solid gold though. For 200 and something dollars. I'm gonna know. But like I'm gonna just show you guys around a little bit and then so you guys can see what's going on this side of the world, because apparently having like other designer shit makes no sense. It's all about having real gold. Why the man is still in my video though, Jesus? Why I'm still in the video? Anyways, let's go. Alright, so here we are at the Dubai City of Gold. Okay? And then you go in and I'm videoing just want to do a thing. Sorry. Like you go and you walk down here and to your right is everything gold. And to your left is everything gold. Just gold everywhere. Yes, I try. Oh my god, he's gonna let me try this. Okay, I try. Hold on, I put the camera up. Oh my god, we're gonna let me try. This is nice. How much is this? It's 135,000 dirham, and in US dollars, 37,800. Oh, 37,087. 37,000 US dollar for this. Really not bad. It kind of weird on my neck, but you have a discount? I don't know. It's nice. It fits me.
$35,000.
$35,000 for me? Oh. You know, so all of a sudden just scratch my neck. All of a sudden just scratch my neck. Nice. And back it goes, come I can't afford it. Like, aren't beautiful. Oh, and it comes with the earrings too. Alright, so that's people basically is the gold soup. But then no, it's like I kind of want to buy something, but then like I don't. It's like I'm thinking like $260 for a tiny ass ring. I'm like, oh fuck, like I'm gonna know if we can afford that, but at least we have to try on one of the fancy something of them what a woman wear when they get married, or if you're going to a special occasion, you wear it, and that shit was heavy and it was just so beautiful. But I had to come back to show you guys what the gold souk is all about. So if you're ever in Dubai, you guys could come down and check it out and buy 1 and 2 things, you know what I mean? If you want to invest in some gold, this is where you come to buy it. It was like so crazy and so dope. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quick little vlog. You already know the deal. Subscribe to my channel, like, share it, and all them good things there. All right, bye.